Alright, so what we're going to need for today's recipe is pretty much we've got some tuna. We've got some freshly picked spring onion, 500 gram packet of pasta, a little bit of white wine, excuse me, some cream. We've also got some Parmesan cheese. We've got some basil leaves freshly picked from the garden and some garlic. Alright, first we'll start off with the spring onions. We'll just finely chop these up. Spring onions are great because they've got a good flavour, but they've also got a little bit of colour in there as well. So that's pretty much the spring onions done. Yeah, like I said, I just took some basil out from the garden, so we'll just chop that up. And what I'll do, I'll just get another bowl for that, because we want to add that a little bit later at the end. That way it gives it flavour, and that way it doesn't go dark, because if you put it in too early, it's just going to go dark. Okay, now we've got a little bit of garlic, so I'll just smash that up, get that going. Yeah, guys, and like I said, you know, you're looking at about $10 to $12 Australian, and that will feed 4 people. Considering if you went out and bought this at a restaurant, it's going to cost you a hell of a lot more than that just for one. So, and it is as quick as to make. So we'll just quickly chop up this garlic. Okay, that will do. Simple. So we've got our basil, we've got our garlic, and we've got our spring onions. Let's get to the next stage. Next, I've just got a little bit of homemade olive oil. We'll just pop a little bit in the pan. We don't need too much of that. Let's just pop that over there. Let's pop in our garlic. And we'll pop in our spring onions. So all we need to do at this stage, just stir it around. You don't want to burn it, you don't want to overcook it. We just want to lightly cook it, just so that garlic infuses in that little bit of oil there, and we're just sort of semi-sweating the spring onions. Okay, now whilst we got that going, because this isn't going to take long, I've got some water boiling already. So, pretty much. So we've got our pasta. Again, 500 gram packet. You can use whatever pasta you want. I've got a spaghetti, it's a number 15. So we'll pop that in the water. Just give that a bit of a stir. Want to make sure that it's all submerged. Just a little bit of salt. Okay, and we'll let that cook. So that's how long this is going to take. It ain't going to take too long. So by the time that pasta is ready, our sauce will be ready. Alright, just a little bit more. Alright, so now at this stage, white wine. Probably about that much. So pretty much just the drizzle, we don't need much. We'll just cook that off. Nice smell coming out of that. Will just enhance the flavour of the sauce. Alright, now I've got some fresh cream. That should be about another 30 seconds. And we should be all ready to put the cream in. Alright, so now we'll add cream. Okay, so that's 600 mils of cream. That's done, that's out of the way. Now for a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of sea salt. So now we'll just bring that to a boil and then leave it on a slow heat for a little bit. We'll just let it slightly reduce. And while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to do something else and we'll be back in a second. Okay, we've got this going at a nice consistency. We've just brought it to the boil. I've just put it down a little bit. And I'm going to put maybe 3/4 of a cupful of Parmesan cheese. Just slowly add that in. What that will do will just slightly thicken it and give it that nice flavour. Like I said guys, this is so easy to make. Okay, as you can see, those bubbles are sort of getting thicker, so we've got it at the consistency that we want it. So now all we're going to do is add our tuna. Done. And we'll just stir that through. Break up some of the bigger, larger chunks, or you can leave them, it's up to you, but I prefer it just to be evenly spread around the sauce. Okay, now we'll just bring that back to the boil, put that back up on the high heat. Smelling absolutely fantastic. That's it. Okay, so we'll let that go while we're waiting for that. We'll just check this pasta sauce. See, even this pasta. Now, this pasta isn't even ready yet, and that sauce is a couple of minutes away from being ready. So, perfect. It's such a quick and easy meal to make. It's just unbelievable. Alright, well next, the sauce is just about ready, so I'm just going to put in that lovely fragrant basil. Like I said, that was just picked moments ago from the garden. The smell is sensational. Alright, now we will turn that off and we'll just wait for this pasta to finish in a couple of minutes and we'll come back. Alright guys, everything's ready, the pasta's drained. All we're going to do now is we're going to pop our pasta in there, in the sauce. We'll just mix that around. Bring it in like that. Alright, now it's time to serve this up. Alright guys, so now we've served it up, so that's pretty much what we're looking at. A nice creamy tuna pasta with a little bit of homemade bread. Can't go wrong. Like I said, between $10 to $12, feeds a family of 4 quite easy. And again guys, if you want to drop a comment, feel free to. I'll answer whatever you want to the best of my capabilities. Please like, share and subscribe, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care for now.